Today, Honor has unveiled a new mid-range smartphone, the X70i. It sports a 6.7-inch OLED screen with 1080 by 2412 resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and 3500 nit peak brightness, and the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra SoC at the helm. It comes in 3 RAM/storage configurations: 8/256GB, 12/256GB, and 12/512GB. It's offered in 4 colorways: purple, black, white, and blue. On the rear there's a single 108MP camera with f/1.75 aperture, and for selfies you get an 8MP snapper. The X70i has a 6000 mAh battery with support for 35W wired charging. It has an IP65 rating for dust and splash resistance, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and it runs Android 15 with macOS 9.0 on top. It measures 161 by 74.55 by 7.29 mm and weighs 178.5 g. It's up for pre-sale now from Honor's official store in China, and it's priced at 1,399 Chinese yuan, approximately $191. For the entry-level 8/256GB iteration, 1,699 Chinese yuan, $233. For the 12/256GB version, and 1,899 Chinese yuan, $260, for the 12/512GB variant. It will be released on April 30th. There's no telling if it will ever be sold outside of China, unfortunately.